freelancing.
Offer your skills and services on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, or Guru. You can provide services such as writing, graphic design, web development, digital marketing, and online teaching. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can teach or tutor others online. Platforms like VipKid, Teachable, Udemy, and Coursera allow you to create and sell courses. Content creation. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast around a topic you're passionate about. Once you build an audience, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through affiliate programs and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral. Amazon Associates and ClickBank are popular affiliate marketing platforms. E-commerce. Open an online store and sell physical or digital products. You can use platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy to set up your online shop. Drop shipping. Run an e-commerce store without holding inventory. You only purchase products from suppliers when you make a sale, and they handle shipping. Platforms like Shopify integrate well with drop shipping. Photography. Sell your photos, artwork, or designs on stock photography websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble or Society6. If you like the video, kindly like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks.